Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius? What's going on? What are the messages for Aquarius and what's going on? The Emperor with 5 of Cups. Maybe right now you are feeling sad for something or for someone. Yeah, you are feeling maybe you lost something or someone. Recently for some you are in no contact or in separation with your person. But this is temporary. Now you will overcome this energy. Then you will stand by your power, Aquarius. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 5 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles and the Temperance. So what I'm seeing here, in past, there is no partnership between you and your person. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. So 5 of Wands, lot of drama. Maybe your person always taking and putting you in waiting period, maybe waiting mode. They are not available to you emotionally when you need them. So lot of drama is going. There is no partnership or collaboration, but you are totally in your control. You are taking your control back. I think there is no balance in this connection. So then present, 4 of Swords, 8 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups. So you are undergoing some meditation. You are not talking to anyone because there is a lot of drama and no commitment, no equal give and take. So you fed up with that energy. Then you are undergoing some meditation. You want to heal yourself from these all trauma or drama. Then you started working towards your goal, started focusing towards your career, 8 of Pentacles. You are focused towards your career and 3 of Cups. So you will get success for what you are doing. Because 8 of Pentacles with 3 of Cups, celebration and happiness in your career especially. Maybe for some in your relationship, there is third party situation also involved. For some, not all. And future, 5 of Pentacles, the World and Ace of Wands. So yeah, your person in past not treated you well. In near future also, maybe they are treating you as an option. 5 of Pentacles, cold shouldering. So you don't want this energy, you don't want this behavior anymore. So some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Maybe you want to end. And Ace of Wands. So you want to start your life again with passion. Maybe you are more concentrated on your career. There is a lot of passion involved in you especially. You are very passionate about what you are doing right now, Aquarius. You are in fire. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, fire energy. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Ace of Swords under the deck. Maybe they want to give clarity to you. Clarity, communication. So Aquarius, let's see your person feelings towards you. Person feelings. Yeah, they're thinking, they're spying on you, they're watching you, they're wondering about you a lot. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles, they're thinking about to come back and to take this relationship to next level. Maybe this time your person may be serious about you. Because 5 of Swords, there are some disturbances between both of you. They know about and they know about that. And Princess of Swords, they're spying you, they're wondering you, they're watching you. And 2 of Wands. So they're thinking about you. For some, this could be long distance relationship also. So let's see their actions towards you. Tower. The Tower. Four of Pentacles. Yeah, they're coming back with an apology. Message is coming. Death and the Moon. There is something hidden in this connection. There is something mysterious in this connection. Maybe your person hiding something from you, Aquarius, because the Tower with Four of Pentacles. In past, maybe they are not expressing their feelings to you. Maybe they have hard time to express their feelings. But now they want to open up because Four of Pentacles in straight. They want to open up their feelings to you. And Princess of Pentacles, apology, communication is coming. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Devil. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Seven of Wands. Yeah, they will fight for your attention. Even it is very difficult for them, but they will not give up on you. And Knight of Swords, they are rushing towards you to communicate with you. Communication is coming, Aquarius. I think they are, maybe you are not trusting them, you are confused, Aquarius. Maybe they are giving you false hope always. When they come back, they will tell something but do something. They don't match what they are saying and what they are doing. There is no match. And Six of Pentacles with the Seven of Cups, there is no equal give and take actually in this connection. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your person for some. But for some, you want to give clarity that what you want from that person, what you deserve. And Seven of Cups, maybe you are in confusion state, Aquarius. Maybe for some you have options also. But they won't give up on you because Seven of Wands energy, they will fight for your attention. Yeah, Three of Swords, you are heartbroken and communication is coming. So maybe you both are heartbroken. Maybe they are now realizing your worth. Now you want to move on from this person. For some, you still want this person but still confused. But lots of communication is coming. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aquarius. You will stand by your power. You're feeling stuck. Long-term commitment, abundance is coming. Yeah, you still juggled. You're still confused. Let's see your person overall energy. One card is popped out, that is Queen of Cups. Maybe now your person realizing your worth. They have strong emotions for you. Yeah, this time they want to offer equal give and take. They want reconciliation. They're thinking about you a lot. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. Now they really, King of Cups, want to offer this cup of love to you. Now they realize your worth. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Second chance, holding back. Maybe you are holding back. Reconciliation, family issues. For some family issues are also involved. I need some space. I think it's you, and stability is coming. So the messages are, for some there are some family issues. For some you are still confused. Maybe you are holding back for a while. And second chances, reconciliation. For some, reconciliation is a chance. Maybe they are coming back for second chances. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. Bring love into the situation. So when new moon in Aquarius, maybe when they are coming back, talk with them politely and so talk with them love. So bring love into the situation. So this is the message. Don't show your ego. when they're coming back, if you want them back. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.